crazy. You want to check it out. It's in the basement right there. I can show it to you. Just don't tell me. Show you real quick. I know it's what you want to see because it's a real New York story. 2 seconds. No, what are you going to see? It looks so cute when it regains consciousness. It's so cute. When it regains consciousness. All right, so you guys do it. But I just want to make sure you understand. That was